Okay, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Currently I am working in a multinational company as a construction manager in Islamabad.
Okay. Do you live in the city or the countryside?
Actually, I belong from countryside,
I
but
belong to.
I belong to countryside. But as I said, in multinational company, my employer is offering me accommodation facility. That's why I am living in Islamabad.
Okay. Is it good for young people to grow up in the city?
Yes, definitely, it's a very good for young people to grow up in city because in cities there are a lot of facilities like good health, educational facilities, recreational points, and also there are good opportunities, job opportunities for them.
Okay. Is your city or village a good place for young people to grow up?
Yes, my city is Islamabad, which is very good for young people to grow up because there are a lot of facilities like, as earlier said, education facilities and recreational points, health services, as well as good job opportunities available in city.
Okay. Have you ever been to a seaside beach?
No, I have not been in ever in seaside.
I've never been to any
I
seaside.
have never been to seaside, but I by because my s- study because my very busy schedule, so I am not able to go to seaside. But if I got a chance, then I will definitely
If
go
I
to.
ever get a chance,
If I ever get a chance, then
then
I will
I would
definitely
like
to
to or
go
I will go
to
to.
seaside.
Okay. All right. Do you often go out to eat or do you often eat out in the restaurants?
Yes, I eat out very often in restaurant, and I mostly eat 3 or 4 times in a week, and I like to eat traditional foods.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
I like traditional foods like chicken or mutton kadai, and as well as pizza or other traditional foods.
All right. Thank you very much. Overall, it's good. Just try to add one to two more sentences with each
Right,
answer and then it'll be
right,
better, right?
right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.